Hello, my name is Sebastian Demelio, and this is the inter alia new iProMOH-V5 unboxing video. The iProMOH-V5 is a music on hold and in-store announcement player. The iProMOH-V5 replaces the iProMOH-SU and iProMOH-V4. The iProMOH-SU was our USB load player, and the iProMOH-V4 was our network load player. The iProMOH-V5 offers both USB and network, offering more flexibility and easier management. Now it's time to go for the fun stuff and open up the box to see what we have inside. So when we open the box, we find a welcome carton, and on the back of the carton, there is a basic connection diagram. On one side, we have the power supply connection, and on the other, we have the analog audio output connection. This is the cable that connects the iProMOH to your phone system. For a simple analog connection, this is all you need to do. Now let's dig a little deeper. First, we have the unit. On the top, we have the label with the part number and the internet address to locate all the information on the setup of the unit. On the back, you will find the serial number as well as the MAC address. You will need the MAC address if you have to set up the iProMOH as a network device with IMCM. Let's remove the cardboard piece and see what else is included. First, we have the remote control. Remote control is used to control the volume on the unit, and it affects channel 1 and channel 2 simultaneously, so be sure to properly monitor your audio once you've changed the volume. We also have with the unit an RJ45 cable. The RJ45 cable is used to connect to your network. We have an audio cable, an audio adapter from RCA to 3.5mm. We have also a on-the-go cable, a Wi-Fi antenna, an HDMI cable, a power supply, as well as the regional prongs adapter to connect properly the unit for specific regions. Now let's take a look at where to connect the cables and what are some of the applications for those cables. First, when we look at the front of the unit, you will see that there is a receiver for the remote control, and there is a power on LED that tells you that the unit is turned on. If we turn the unit on the side, you will now see that there is a power button to turn on the unit, 3 USB ports. There's also a micro SD and OTG port, as well as a Kensington lock slot. The USB ports are used to transfer the configurations and content via the USB key, as well as connecting a mouse and keyboard to the unit for more advanced configurations. The OTG port and micro SD ports are for future applications. Now, turning the unit to the back, first we have the audio port, and this is where you connect your main cable with channel 1 and channel 2, channel 1 being the white cable, channel 2 being the red cable, and the black 3.5 goes into the iProMOH unit. The red and white go to your phone systems. Next to it, you have the audio in, and the audio in is used to have a music background source connected to the iPromo that becomes your music background in the unit. This is for an analog music source. Next to it, an HDMI cable to connect a monitor, and connecting the mouse and keyboard and monitor allows you to make iPromo configuration changes. Next, there is a touchlink port that is for future application. And next to it, we have the network port, and the network port is an RJ45 cable and connects to your network. This is only required if you plan on using the iPromo with IMCM, or if you plan on using web radio as your music background, or if you use RTP streams out for multicast broadcast on Cisco Call Manager. The last connector is the power supply. Remember to turn on the unit by pressing the power button. On the last side, you will find the connector for the Wi-Fi antenna. Simply connect the antenna to the unit if you wish to use the Wi-Fi and make the appropriate setup in the configuration. This concludes the tour of the new iProMOH-V5. We hope that you will find this video helpful. To learn more, or if you have any questions, please visit us at www.interalia.com. Thank you for watching.